Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm drawing ABC fruits. First, I'm drawing the letter A. I'm drawing the letter B.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Here is the letter C.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
I'm drawing an apple.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
I'm drawing bananas.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Finally, I'm drawing
Y,
cherry.
and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Let's paint.
A, B, C, D,
Purple.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Orange.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Blue.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Red.
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
Brown.
sing with me?
Green. Brown. Yellow. Eating fruit is so healthy. Green. Red. Learning ABC is so much fun. See you on next video.